Hi there, Kazi here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change default font in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple guys, so let's get started. First of all, from the toolbar you need to select the home button. Alright, then under this font tab you'll probably see this icon right over here. Alright, so you need to tap on this little icon, or you can press Ctrl plus D in your keyboard to open a dialog box like this. Alright, then on this side you will see the font option. So from here you need to select the font that you want to set as default. So let's just jump into one of my favorite fonts like Arial. You can search it right over here like this and select the Arial, and now you need if you want to make it default, then simply tap on set as default, and here another dialog box will be appear. So if you want this for only this thing, if you want to make it if you want to make this if you want to make this font default as for all of your documents on this PC, then you can select them as all documents based on normal template and tap on OK to have it. So there we have it. So that's how you can change the default font on Microsoft Word. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll catch you next time.